Step 1. Raw materials processing. Soy fiber protein. Soak the soy fiber protein for 1 hour in normal temperature water till it becomes totally soft. Put soy fiber protein into mesh bag and dehydrate it by centrifugal dehydration machine for 2 minutes. Then rinse soy fiber protein with water and dehydrate it again. Beat the protein into required size by beating machine with speed of 600 to 800 rounds per minute. Chicken. Unfreeze chicken breast and chicken fat, then grind them into respectively, and refrigerate under 0 to 4 degrees Celsius for further steps. Step 2. Mixing. Pour chicken breast into blender. Add a part of ice water and phosphate to stir for 1 minute to full emulsify the chicken. Then add the rest of ice water, starch, and other spices to stir for 1 to 2 minutes. At the last step, add the chicken fat and soy fiber protein and stir evenly. The temperature during mixing should be below 10 degrees Celsius to prevent from protein denaturation and affect the taste. Step 3. Filling sausage. Choose casing according to need. Filling sausages by hands or filling machine, and make them by demand size. Step 4. Baking and steaming. Bake formed sausages under 55 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Then steam under 85 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Step 5. Pre-cooling. Pre-cool steamed sausages to pre-cooling room immediately at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius until the center temperature of sausages is below 8 degrees Celsius. Step 6. Quick frozen. Transfer cooled sausages to quick frozen room and keep the temperature below minus 25 degrees Celsius for 24 hours to make the center temperature of sausage drop below minus 18 degrees Celsius quickly.